So in this Coinbase tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy DAI, ticker symbol DAI on Coinbase. So once you're on Coinbase, just go ahead and press on the trade tab at the bottom. Once you're on the trade tab, simply go to the top and press on search for an asset. Once you're on the search bar, type in the ticker symbol DAI. Once that is done, it'll now search up DAI coin at the top. Press on the top option. Then once that is done and loaded up, press on trade. And then press on buy DAI with cash. Once you're on this screen, invest the amount of money that you want to invest into DAI coin. I'm just going to go ahead and press on 2 and then press on review order for this example. It's now going to take a couple seconds to identify the purchase, get everything in order and take you to the next screen. So just bear with it. It shouldn't take too much longer than once you're on this screen. To finalize your purchase, go to the bottom, press on place order, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy DAI, ticker symbol DAI on Coinbase. And I hope this video helped.